Hello, dear students. I welcome you on behalf of Victorian Kids School, Jodhpur. In this video, we will read and understand the first chapter of English literature for class first. The name of the chapter is I Can Swim. This chapter is designed in comic book style, which means you will see both the characters, that is, the rabbit and the swan, talking with each other. It will be fun to read it. In between, I will explain you all the difficult words. After we finish reading this chapter, we will be able to understand few action words like swimming, hopping, flying, and running. When we are done reading the entire chapter, in a separate video, I will explain all the exercises that you need to do in your notebook. You will be sent the reading material and the exercises through the mobile application of Victorian Kids Jodhpur. In case if you don't have the username or password, kindly contact on the number 94141278180. You must keep yourself updated on app. All further instructions and notifications will be sent through the app only. Let's begin. The swan asked the rabbit, "Who are you?" Who in Hindi means "कौन." The word "you" means "आप." So the swan asked the rabbit, "आप कौन है?" Whenever you meet someone for the first time and you want to know about them, you must ask them, "Who are you?" जब भी आप किसी से पहली बार मिलते हैं और आप उनके बारे में जानना चाहते हैं, तो आप उनसे पूछते हैं, "Who are you?" The rabbit replies back to the swan, "I am a rabbit. My name is Bunny. Who are you?" Rabbit swan को जवाब देता है, "मैं rabbit हूँ. मेरा नाम बनी है. आप कौन है?" Now let's understand a few things. The first letter of the name of the rabbit is in capital case. That is, you can see a capital B here. Remember, whenever you write the name of a person or a place, it should begin with a capital letter. Let's see a few examples. My name is Rishabh Kumar. Here you see that R of Rishabh and K of Kumar are written in capital letters. Do you know why? Because they are the first letters of the name and the surname of a person. तो आप भी जब किसी के नेम और सरनेम का फर्स्ट लेटर लिख रहे हो तो उसे कैपिटल लेटर्स में ही लिखना है. सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल, माई नेम इज हिमांशु गहलोत. हियर हिमांशु का H और गहलोत का G कैपिटल है. Similarly, the third sentence is I live in Jodhpur. Here you see that J of Jodhpur is capital because Jodhpur is the name of the place and therefore its first letter should be written in capital case. In the first chapter of EVS, you will learn to introduce yourself. There, wherever you write the name of a person or a place, just remember to write it in capital letter. Have you ever seen a rabbit? See it in the picture. It is a small and cute animal with lot of hair on its body and it runs very fast. The color of their body fur or the body hair can be white, black, grey or brown. Now let's read further. The swan says, "I am a swan. My name is Dolly. I can swim. Can you swim?" स्वान रैबिट को रिप्लाई देती है, "I am a swan. मैं स्वान हूँ. My name is Dolly. मेरा नाम डॉली है. I can swim. मैं swim कर सकती हूँ. Can you swim? क्या आप swim कर सकते हो? Now let's understand a few things. This is what a swan looks like. It is a bird that can live both in water and on ground. Its color is white and it looks like a duck. It has 2 feet which it uses to walk and swim. Now let's understand the meaning of action word swim. Swim is an act of moving your hands and feet in water in order to move ahead in water. Let's see how it looks like. You can see these men swimming in water. They are moving their hands and feet to move ahead. ये लोग अपने हाथ और पैर चला के पानी में आगे बढ़ रहे हैं. इसे स्विम करना या स्विमिंग कहते हैं. The rabbit tells the swan, I cannot swim. I can hop. Can you hop? मतलब रैबिट स्वान से कहता है, मैं स्विम नहीं कर सकता, मैं हॉप कर सकता हूं. क्या आप हॉप कर सकते हैं? Hop is an action of moving by jumping on all feet together. कूद कूद के चलने को हॉप कहते हैं. Can you see the rabbit hopping in this picture? No? Then let's see how rabbits hop.
This is how rabbits hop. They move by jumping on all feet together.
Can you just hop like rabbits? Just try it once. Now let's read further. The swan replies, I cannot hop. I can fly. Can you fly? स्वान कहती है, मैं हॉप नहीं कर सकती, मैं फ्लाई कर सकती हूँ. क्या आप फ्लाई कर सकते हो? फ्लाई मतलब उड़ना होता है. Now let's see how a swan flies. Have you ever seen any bird fly? No? Then go outside and see a bird flying today itself. The rabbit tells the swan, I cannot fly. I can run. Can you run? Rabbit swan से कहता है, मैं फ्लाई नहीं कर सकता, मैं रन कर सकता हूँ. क्या आप रन कर सकते हैं? Run means भागना or moving in a very fast speed. Let's see how a rabbit runs. Can you run like a rabbit? Just try it once today. The swan tells the rabbit, I cannot run. You cannot fly. I cannot hop. You cannot swim. स्वान रैबिट को कहती है, मैं रन नहीं कर सकती, आप फ्लाई नहीं कर सकते, मैं हॉप नहीं कर सकती, आप स्विम नहीं कर सकते. The rabbit tells the swan, yes, I cannot fly, you cannot hop, I cannot swim, you cannot run. रैबिट स्वान से कहता है, हाँ, मैं फ्लाई नहीं कर सकता, आप हॉप नहीं कर सकती, मैं स्विम नहीं कर सकता, आप रन नहीं कर सकती. What do we learn from this chapter? One cannot do everything. हम सब काम नहीं कर सकते. हर कोई स्पेशल है. कोई कुछ काम कर सकता है तो कोई कुछ और. With this, we reach the end of the reading portion for this chapter. In the next video, I will put all the exercises that students need to do in their notebooks. We would appreciate if you can give us your feedback about this video. Thank you.